How to withdraw money from Cash App. Before we press anything, there's one quick thing you need to know. You can only withdraw money directly from your core cash balance. If your funds are tucked away in your savings, you'll just need to transfer them back over to your main balance first. And if your money is tied up in Bitcoin or stocks, you'll have to sell those off before you can cash them out. Oh, and make sure your preferred bank account is already linked up in your settings so Cash App knows exactly where to send the funds. All right, let's do this. Open up your Cash App and look at your main screen. Right next to Add Money, you're going to tap on Withdraw. Now you have to pick how much you want to transfer. You've got two choices here. You can either drag this little circle slider at the bottom left and right to dial in the amount, or if you like being precise, just tap directly on the number itself. That brings up a keypad where you can type in the exact amount. Let's go with $50 for this example. Once your amount looks good, hit Withdraw at the bottom. Next, Cash App is going to ask how fast you want it. Instant sends the cash to your debit card immediately, but it does charge you a small percentage fee. Since we're not in a massive rush and want to keep every penny, we're going to choose Standard. It's completely free and usually takes just a couple of days to land in your bank. And boom, you'll see a green checkmark confirming the transfer. Just tap Done at the bottom to head back to your dashboard, and you are good to go. That is all there is to it. If you want to move your funds somewhere else next, check out my other video right here where I show you exactly how to transfer Cash App to PayPal. See you over there.